What's the meaning of box score? Box score. Box score.
Box score. Box score. A box score is a summary of the statistics from a sports game, typically displayed as a table. It provides a detailed breakdown of the individual and team performances throughout the game. The box score includes information such as the score at the end of each quarter, the number of points scored by each player, their minutes played, field goal percentage, free throw percentage, rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks. It is commonly used in basketball, baseball, and other team sports to analyze and compare the performances of different players and teams. Overall, the box score offers a comprehensive look at the game's events and outcomes, allowing fans and analysts to evaluate the performance of players and teams.